the shower. I finished my tile pretty much. I've got a few clips and stuff to kind of take out with a pair of pliers. All my tile's pretty much ready to start grouting. I do have some issues, however. You can kind of see this little area right here and right here. There's one there, and I've got a few others. And basically what happens is when the clip is in the wall or behind the tile and you use a little wedge to kind of push that down and tighten the tile, sometimes it actually pulls some of the thin set in, and that kind of locks that in there, and sometimes it kind of squeezes out. And instead of taking a screwdriver or some other object and screwing up my tile, I'm going to use my dremel tool with the right angle attachment. Basically turns this into kind of like a mini grinder, and I've got a diamond edged blade on here. I'll start slow and basically grind that out so that I have a nice grout line. And again, I've got a few of these in the shower. They're kind of, I don't know how you avoid them, but here goes. So I'm going to start slow around 10,000, I guess, RPMs, and go from there. All right, there we go. You don't have to go deep. You don't have to go all the way back to the hardy board that's in the back, or the curdy board, excuse me, in the back, because you will damage the membrane. We do not want to do that. So I just got it down to about 8 minutes below the surface of the tile. Clean it out so you can't see it. But again, I've got a few of these, and there's one right there where the thin set's kind of oozing out, so I'm going to do the same thing there. So if you run into an issue where you got thin set kind of popping out of the tile, using a Dremel with the diamond blade actually helps out, and you're not going to mess up your tile, because if you do try to take a screwdriver or something like that and try to dig this out, you're going to probably mess up the face of your tile. So there you go.